How to make the taskbar smaller on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to make your taskbar smaller in Windows 11 for a sleeker look, it's easy. Let's follow these simple steps. First of all, we need to right click on the taskbar and then you will get three options. From here, you have to select on the taskbar settings. Or you could just open settings on your device and then go to the section of personalization and click on taskbar. Here are different options that you need to change. First of all, if you find the option of adjust the taskbar size, you can scroll down it and then change it as well. Usually, you can use a slider to adjust the size of your preferences. Moving it to the left will make the taskbar smaller. However, if you cannot find the option, the next thing what you can do is minimize the number of widgets that is shown. You can click on any option that you want to keep as a taskbar by toggling it on, or you could just turn off all the widgets that you want to remove from the taskbar. Similarly, you can use the option automatically hide the taskbar in order to remove it. In addition, there are additional solutions that you can try on. You can also change the alignment of the taskbar from the center to the left side of the screen and you should be good to go. So while you cannot directly change the taskbar size, you can make these changes in order to make it look smaller and more efficient. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.